We're down here at Bayfront. So, Chief, it's getting the waves are starting to pick up. We're starting to see a lot of surge. No real wind yet, but rain is starting to pick up. Go get an island over there. We're down here 4 miles. Actually, it's 4 miles behind me. Breezy. Looks like the rain stopped for a little bit, but waves are really choppy. Smell the salt water. My boss, the intrepid photographer. Raincoat's backwards. It's about 9 o'clock p.m. and we're out here in the parking lot of the radio station, and it's eerily calm, but it's starting to get a little bit breezy. Nobody on the streets. Two police officers just went by, just making sure, I think, that the people are off the road as Hurricane Iselle rolls in. I've been still on the radio, but taking a little bit of a break. I played a nice long Who song, but that's how we look here on Kilauea Avenue right now. Eerie, man. Eerie. We're outside the studios. We're listening to that wind.